Oh boy, Janky driver! Here we go, boys. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, sticky. Look at that. Okay, now we have instructions. Gotta take out the screws or the little plastic inserts. Place them with some of these. So I'll get right onto that. Oh man, which one's the front? These are probably the front, the smaller ones. You've got 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and then you have a 4th one. You need to remove all of these and you can replace it with the hardware that slips in behind this. Pretty sure the clips enter in this way. No, I gotta use 2 hands for this, but you get the clip in like that, you follow it for that one there. This one's gonna be different. Once you get those clips in, which is probably gonna be the most difficult part, now you have the ability to, you put on a, so the back part here actually uses a spacer. There's some space right there. You use this, you put it behind the mud flap, and you use these washers to prevent the screw heads from going through. That's the only ones I believe you need to use a spacer on. For the fronts, it would be the part that's closer inner to the wheel well. So I'm gonna get these 2 in and we're gonna see how it looks. Sometimes you get caught up in doing something, you forget to film, but okay. So you have a clip right here that you have to remove. Once you remove that, this piece disconnects. Beneath that, underneath, you have these clips. Now there's a difference. I'm not sure completely what the biggest difference is, but there are 2 types of clips. There's a single fold, and you can tell that because it's a chopped off edge right here, if you look at that. And then you have these, which are, it's folded in on itself twice, and it's a rounded edge. These go in the front, these go in the rear. I'm not sure why. I'm assuming because these are thicker, and these are thinner, these have to go here. You get this clip back there, and these other 2 clips, right here and right here. You get your washer. Gotta get a spacer, and put a spacer here and install it on this side. It might be in a little bit too tight, because they have a little dimple where I screwed them in, so I'm just gonna loosen them up just slightly. And that looks awesome. All right, we're gonna put that wheel back on, then we're gonna work on the other side. I'm not gonna film that since I can do it quicker not filming it. And since you already know the basic layout for the rear and the front, it's the exact same on the other side. So I'm gonna get that done and I'll show that real quick. There it is. There it is, we got our rally armor mud flaps. We're officially one of those subie guys now. I opted for the black because they're a little bit less standing out compared to the red ones. It actually makes the car look a little wider, which is kind of awesome. You can't see it on the wide angle because it's so far away, but in person, it looks awesome. That looks sick. All right, well, see you guys another day, Janky drivers. Peace.
You